will be a demonstration of the QuickDraw Weaving program's ability to blend multiple patterns. This function was inspired by Handwoven Magazine's May 2020 issue with an article by Madeline Vanderhoot. And let me open the sample files from that. I've got a Bronson lace pattern here. And let me move it around so it's a little bit easier to see when I put them together. And what I'm going to do is take that pattern. I'm going to go to the setup view and tell it I want to blend this pattern. Let me go back over here. I can see it again. Let me open the pattern I want to blend with as a 2-2 twill. When I open that, again, I'm going to shift this around so it's a little bit easier to see one above the other so you can see how they blend. I've now got that pattern. When I tell that I want to blend this one, you'll notice the text down below. I've now got two patterns to blend. So when I actually open a new pattern, and I again go to the project setup screen, I now have the ability to blend it. When I blend it, you'll notice the color palette changed. And when I go back over, it's now created the new pattern, which is the blended version of those two patterns. If I get this out of the way, you can see those two patterns. If I set the twill back, I can see those two patterns, and I can see that those two have actually merged. Now, if I want to, for example, put in more repeats of the huck, I can copy that, and I can paste it down here, and I get more repeats of the huck as soon as I open the pattern. I do that, or I can copy the twill, copy that, paste it. Now it would be also possible to copy from the patterns here, but I need to be a little bit careful if I wanted to copy from the 2-2 twill here, because it's actually going to be shifting the patterns over. So normally if I just copy that, I copy it over here and then I'm pasting over in this one. When I paste it, it's shifted back in and it's kind of messed up the pattern there. So the reason there was an update to this function, the enable shifting, and that will allow me, I've copied these guys in. Now when I paste them, I can paste them any place I want them to be. So when I paste them here, I can shift that over. I can now actually get the pattern I want of it. So that gives me the capability of blending patterns. It will blend patterns up until it fills the available 32 shafts. Where I was looking at when I opened the file and I had the blending picture, if I added more patterns to it, it would blend as many as it had until it runs out of shafts. Thank you now. Bye.